Today I show you a really interesting trick to use Google Translate and AI, Gemini AI here, to translate a word from one language to another and fix up. You can use Google Translate to translate text from one language to another language, and usually Google Translate doesn't do it very well. But you know, Google Translate is not really doing a perfect job. Sometimes it messes things up a little bit. But the trick is, after you use Google Translate to do the translation, which will not be perfect, then you use AI to correct the translation. So this is going to be mind-blowing now. I will try to do a translation while I speak here. Okay, I will open Google Translate now, and I have it set from Romanian to English, and I will start speaking to the keyboard. I will do voice typing. Voice typing might not get it 100% right, and especially after I translate from Romanian into English, the text should look a little bit strange. So let's try. Let's see how it is. First, I want to make sure the language here is set to Romanian, and now that the language is set to Romanian, I will start speaking, and usually I speak to this in English, but I'm sure it's gonna get it wrong now. Bună ziua. Okay, let's start now. Bună ziua, cum ajung în centrul orașului și care este cel mai interesant lucru de văzut în București? În ce parc pot să merg ca să văd lebede și unde sunt parcurile cele mai interesante în București? Mai ales vreau să știu despre lacuri, unde sunt lacurile cele mai interesante și ce pești sunt în lacurile voastre, și vreau să mai întreb dacă pot să merg la pescuit în București, în ce lacuri unde este pescuit liber, fără permis. Okay, so good morning. How do I get to the city center, and what is the most interesting thing to do in Bucharest? Which park I can go to see swans, and where are the most interesting parks in Bucharest? I especially want to know about lakes. Where are the most interesting lakes, and what fish are in the lakes? And I also want to ask if I can go fishing in Bucharest in which lakes where there is free fishing without a permit. It got it pretty well, but there is no sentences here. It's only one massive text. So let's try to put this into Gemini, and I will say, fix the sentences, use regular sentences for the following text. And I will enter the text now, paste. Let's see the magic. Do you see what it's doing there? Instead of all that text blob there, now I have good morning, how can I get to the city center? What is the most interesting thing to see in Bucharest? Which park can I go to see swans? Where are the most interesting parks in Bucharest? I'm especially interested in lakes. Where are the most interesting lakes, and what fish are in them? Can I go fishing in Bucharest? If so, which lakes offer free fishing without a permit? This is real time here. You saw it happening. I use Google Translate to translate all this from Romanian into English, and it was typed with the voice typing, and there are no sentences here. It's just a massive block of text. But Google Gemini did a pretty good job here. I think the large language models, or LLMs, the LLMs are really perfect for this kind of thing, where they process text and make it really nice and readable. ChatGPT, the Copilot from Microsoft, and Google Gemini. I think Gemini is getting much better now. I hope this helps you correct the text. You can type some text, make some really simple sentences that are not really perfectly arranged and everything, and you can use the AI, you can use Gemini to fix up the text, make it really nice and readable. Thanks for watching. I really hope this helps you. Let me know if you try this and how it went for you. I think this is a really great feature for the current AI technology we have now, the LLMs, ChatGPT and Gemini and Copilot. Also DeepSeek, the Chinese model, should also work the same way. Thanks for watching.